once autonomous trucks are established and safely running on our roads,
Mhm.
what's next?
No. And my people always hear me saying, no hobbies. So until the topic is really solved and unlocked, really let's concentrate on Class 8 trucking, Cascadia, that's it, no hobbies. Afterwards, no limits. Hey, then I want to go global, want to go through all vehicle classes, merge electric and autonomous, reshape the cabin. The fantasy has really no limits.
Yeah, I think
And I would love to do this together with you because I think a lot of things are involved here with the truck.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we're already starting to look at how we can expand this technology potentially to big cab applications or zero emissions vehicles. But as you said, one step at a time, and then the possibilities are infinite. But it will be great once we can merge zero emission technology with autonomous driving, and that's absolutely the goal, you know, zero fatalities, zero emissions, and zero unplanned downtime.